Good evening, friends. We are here with some most important MCQs from chemistry for your NPSC Mains. So, without any further delay, guys, let us start today's session. So, our first question is hard water does not form leather easily with soap because it is asking that hard water doesn't gives bubbles. Okay, in with soap. Okay, so the reason being simple, guys, hard water contains calcium and magnesium ions, and that is the reason they are not giving leather in soap, leather with soap. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have gold ornaments rarely corrode because gold is, remember guys, gold have a high ornamental value. The reason being simple, that they are noble metal or very less reactive metals. Okay, very less reactive metals are known as noble metals. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have why is graphite used as an electrode in batteries? So remember, guys, graphite is used as an electrode in batteries because we all know the allotrope of carbon, that is graphite, is a good electrical conductor. So it is good electrical conductor, and that is the reason why we do use graphite electrode in batteries. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here lime is applied on acidic soil because, guys, we all know that lime is basic in nature. So if we apply it on acidic soil, what it will do? It will neutralize the acid. Okay, it will neutralize the acid. So the correct option will be option B. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have why is nitrogen gas used in food packets? So guys, remember, whenever food is coming in contact with oxygen, it leads to oxidation, and whenever oxidation is taking place, it can basically, the food can rot very fast. So basically it is in order to prevent oxidation, so the food remains fresh for a longer period of time. So option A will be the correct one. So moving towards the next question, the smell of rotten eggs is due to a gas produced that is known as hydrogen sulfide H2S. Hydrogen sulfide H2S. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have here galvanization protects iron by coating it with. So guys, what happens in galvanization? We coat iron with zinc. We coat iron with zinc. So the correct option will be option B, coating it with zinc. Guys, the next question, a farmer adds gypsum to alkaline soil mainly due to, so guys, what happens if we add gypsum to alkaline soil? It will improve the soil structure and reduce the alkalinity. So that is the main purpose of a farmer adding gypsum into a alkaline soil. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here why CNG powered vehicles are considered environmental friendly. Okay, environmentally friendly. CNG produces fewer harmful gases, CNG produces more smoke, CNG increases CO2 drastically. No. CNG contains sulfur. No. So the correct option will be CNG produces fewer harmful gases. So the correct option will be option A. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have why is chlorine added to swimming pool water? To increase the color, to kill harmful microorganisms, to increase oxygen content, or to raise the pH level. So you see, guys, this is done. This is added in order to kill the harmful microorganisms. Okay, if you leave the swimming pool like that, you will see after a period of time there will be algal that start to form over that particular area in the swimming pool. Okay, so basically it is done to kill the growth of microorganisms. Why is graphite used as a lubricant in machine, guys? Because of its hard structure? No, because of its layered structure that allows easy sliding. So that is the correct option. Due to its magnetic property? No. Due to its high density? No. Due to its layered structure. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have why are antioxidants added to packaged food items to prevent oxidation and spoilage? Okay, so the moment a food particle is oxidized, it can easily get spoiled. Okay, So the correct option will be option A. To increase acidity, no. To raise water content, no. To promote bacterial growth, why would we promote the bacterial growth in a packet food, guys? Moving towards the next question, guys. When perfume is sprayed in a room, the fragrance gradually spreads throughout the sprays. Which scientific principle explains this phenomenon? So, guys, this is based on the phenomenon of diffusion. So you kindly go through the definitions of osmosis, diffusion, sedimentation, filtration, etc., etc. That will help you in your examination. Okay. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have camphor crystals, when left exposed to air for a long time, gradually disappear without forming a liquid. Which process is responsible for this change? So, guys, if a solid is getting converted into gas without moving towards the liquid state, this is known as sublimation. It is a process known as sublimation. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have ice cubes placed in water float rather than sink. What is the scientific reason behind this behavior? So, guys, you see, ice has a comparatively lower density than water. Ice has a comparatively lower density than water. Ice has a comparative lower density than water. So that is the correct option over here, and that is why ice floats over water. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have when a glass containing ice cold water is kept in a humid environment, droplets of water appear on its outer surface. What explains this occurrence? So, guys, this is explained by evaporation, no. Freezing of air moisture, no. Diffusion of water molecules, no. This process is known as condensation, where the air vapors are actually condensed and formed as water molecules. Okay. So this is known as condensation. Moving towards the next question, during photosynthesis, plants convert one form of energy into another. Which transformation takes place? So, guys, we see that in photosynthesis, heat energy is converted into chemical energy, no. Chemical energy into light energy, no. Mechanical energy into chemical energy, no. However, light energy is converted into chemical energy. We all know energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. So here we are converting light energy into chemical energy. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, the solution turns milky. What causes this change? Formation of calcium carbonate, formation of calcium oxide, formation of sodium carbonate, formation of calcium sulfate. So the correct option will be calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. So option A will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, in galvanization, iron is coated with zinc. What is the primary reason for using zinc in this process? Zinc is cheaper than iron. Zinc prevents iron from oxidizing. Zinc increases the hardness of iron. Zinc reduces the weight of iron. So, guys, remember, zinc prevents iron from oxidizing, and the moment iron is getting oxidized, it will easily rust. Okay, so the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the last question for the day, guys, we have copper is extensively used in electrical wiring. What is the primary property that makes it suitable for this purpose? So, guys, remember, copper is having the high electrical conductivity. Copper is having high electrical conductivity, and that is why it is used in electrical wiring. Okay, silver is having highest electrical conductivity, but it becomes extremely expensive. That is why we use copper. Okay, so guys, this was all for the very first day. We will be coming up with more such sessions on several topics, including science from biology, chemistry, and physics. Till then, stay connected with Edufy.